Next, we are going to learn about the uses of chlorine. Chlorine is used for bleaching purposes. It is used to prepare pesticides, to remove stain from clothes, to purify water, and to prepare bleaching powder. Do you know what is bleaching powder and how is it prepared? Let us know. Bleaching powder is a disinfectant used in cleaning activities. The chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium hypochlorite or oxychloride. The chemical formula of this compound is CaOCl2. Bleaching powder is a good source of chlorine. Let us see how this bleaching powder is prepared. See this video. The raw material used for the manufacture of bleaching powder is slacked lime. Bleaching powder is prepared by passing dry chlorine gas over dry slacked lime. Here, the dry slacked lime reacts chemically with the chlorine gas and forms bleaching powder along with the product water. Do you know why bleaching powder is used as a disinfectant? It is because when bleaching powder reacts with the water, chlorine is liberated. This chlorine helps in the disinfection. Understood? Alright. Next we will learn about how to identify chloride salt. For that, let's see an experiment. Take a little sodium chloride solution in a test tube. Add a few drops of silver nitrate solution in it. What do you observe? Yes, you can see a white curdy precipitate. Equation of this reaction is NaCl plus AgNO3 gives AgCl plus NaNO3. You can see a white curdy precipitate of silver chloride. Now add some ammonium hydroxide to the curdy white precipitate of silver chloride. What happens to the precipitate? Yes, it becomes soluble in ammonium hydroxide, right? Remember, if white precipitate is soluble in ammonium hydroxide solution, then the given salt is chloride salt. Now analyze the chemical equation given here. Which is the ion combined with the sodium ion in the first reactant NaCl? Yes, Cl minus. To which metal ion is this ion combined in the product? Silver ion, right? You know that nitrate ion was with the silver ion in the second reactant silver nitrate, right? See, to which metal ion is this nitrate ion combined now in the product? Very good, sodium ion. So here you can see that both the reactants interchange their ions. This type of reactions are called double decomposition reaction. Let's see what this reaction is. Double decomposition is a reaction in which two compounds, when react with each other, interchange their ions to form two new compounds. Let us see an example. H2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives 2HCl plus BaSO4. Here you can see both the reactants interchange their ions with each other. This type of reactions are called a double decomposition reaction. Understood? Now here is a small activity for you. Arrange the chemical reactions given below in a table under the suitable heads. Complete this table and write it down on your notebook. So children, what all things we learned in this video? Yes, we discussed about the laboratory preparation of chlorine, physical qualities of chlorine gas, bleaching action of chlorine, uses of chlorine, and identification of chloride salt. So children, go through the video, Study well. See you in the next class. Thank you.